But in the magical, there's a pretty one. I ask her where it goes, 'cause I really wanna. I wonder if she knows that we're underwater. That's the way it goes in the city one day.
Move to the spot, I'm one of a few. A whole lot of everything but nothing to do. Till the end of Tesla, partner, ex-wrestler. He dates Francesca, they on the Zannies. Liposuction, skin programming. She wants to say some add to her Manny Girls trip. Miami at the end of the year. Polluterville sky trying to think clear. Run to the hills 'cause the end is near.
There's a pretty one. I ask her where it goes, 'cause I really wanna. I wonder if she knows that we're underwater. That's the way it goes in the city wonder.
Admin is never a one-person job. It's not the OCs at the front line, it's the OGs, it's the volunteers. And it's a lot of tiny bits of effort which is put into making sure that culminates into something larger.
IPA has had a history of creating banger events. I think something that we collectively bonded over was just setting new standards for IPA, setting the stage on fire, and just giving the audience something that they can remember.
3 weeks after college started was our first pre-event. Seeing all the audience members enjoying the pre-event so much, I felt really happy, and that was the moment when I felt like we're finally, Malhar is feeling like Malhar.
LA is not a department that people apply to or come to just because they want to be a part of Malhar. You only come to LA because you're actually interested and you genuinely want to be in LA.
Curating performances, in the words of theatre, is like putting your entire emotion and realism in it. So it's a very tough job, but I have great OGs who did the job perfectly, so kudos to them.
So the essence of Yard Sale is we try to bring sustainability and a bigger picture to Malhar, because all of the profits will be going to charity. And it's the art of giving, honestly, which Malhar does very successfully.
Bounce back when bottles is on me. I'm pushing a new pen, rewriting the story.
I think it was really important for the team to have this sense of teamwork and trust in each other. That was really important, and accordingly my team was chosen, and they truly surprised me with respect to that, because the kind of efforts that they put for each other and for their own sessions, that was truly amazing.
I ripped a new ribbon, they wanted to catch up. Wanted my good riddance, you saw me a rock bottom, you wanted to
Malhar is something which is bigger than all of us. It's, as the theme suggests, it's a world within Xavier. So yeah, being part of Malhar is literally one of my best college memories, and you get to learn so much. I, as a person, evolved being part of Malhar, the best thing that Xavier has to offer.
Malhar by the Bay is always the final pre-event of Malhar, and this year I think we genuinely have had the best Malhar by the Bay yet, and everyone has been supportive throughout. Every department we've coordinated with, every person I've come across, I'm very genuinely happy about that.
What was the one special moment that made you go, we did this?
The court stage setup. Everything happens behind the scenes.
All the stalls you see, all the banners, all the drop downs, all the standees, all the events, every requirement is being paid for by the team. So that's a lot of work, that's a lot of commitment, it's a lot of stress, but ultimately when you see it happening, it is definitely worth it. So yeah.
The understanding and the bond that my team has made with all the other teams
That is the main key essence, which I don't think anyone would have noticed till now, but that is how finance has survived this for sure.
We have this really cute tradition of cardolets. Sorting 15,000 cards, then workforce, taking into account so many allergies and preferences, several Crawford visits, the bargaining, and then the gossiping later, so all of that.
The parcels went live for the first time at 12 in the night. I was like, this is so good. This is like exactly what I wanted to achieve in this as an OC.
What's that one thing that you would like to take home from DNM?
My team. Nothing else, just my team. All of them, all 70 of them. When you see your visions come true, I think that's what matters all.
From Tal, from events brochure to the logo to all the social media, you won't lose that theme. That's the world within theme. So it all is very synchronized. It's like a world within itself.
This is actually happening.
सीने में क्यों डर सा है कि होने लगा हूँ मैं तुझसे दूर, क्यों पाने को जी तरसा है, दफन हुआ जो फितूर। सीने में क्यों डर सा है कि होने लगा हूँ मैं तुझसे दूर, क्यों पाने को जी तरसा है, दफन हुआ जो फितूर। अरसा गुजरा है धुआं धुआं, महसूस न तू हुआ, तरसा है रुआं रुआं रुआं।
Let there be light.
I need that.
Little white bitch on Depop, she a little teapot, 2 left feet, then Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thought. Shoulda never let alone with my seat marks. Now the bitch get pissed, popping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox. A big box, all grown up, bitch looking like Salid, not that booty. I need that. Little white bitch on Depop, she a little teapot, 2 left feet, then Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thought. Shoulda never let alone with my seat marks. Now the bitch get pissed, popping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox. Like a big box, all grown up, bitch looking like Salid, not that booty. I need that. Little white bitch on Depop, she a little teapot, 2 left feet, then Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thought. Shoulda never let alone with my seat marks. Now the bitch get pissed, popping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox. Like a big box, all grown up, bitch looking like Salid, not that booty.
Could've been 30, could've been a G. Should've never snitched, why you take it to police? Now they're looking at you funny when you're walking down the street, looking at you like food, trying to see where they can eat. Me, I'm like Wallow and Gilly with the game. You didn't really wanna act silly, behave. When I were on stage and the milli gets made. I need that.
Okay, ready. Puts and cats and puts and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and
डाउनटाउन में लगी आग, सभी भागे, बिल्डिंग से निकले धुआं, अब सब जल गया तो सभी भागे, पब्लिक में मचे हाहाकार, लैला को लगता हूँ मैं फरेबी, हाँ फरेबी, क्या कहेगी ये, क्या मेरी सारी बातें हैं फरेबी, मैं फरेबी, जान लेगी ये, लैला को लगता हूँ मैं फरेबी, हाँ फरेबी, क्या कहेगी ये, क्या मेरी सारी बातें हैं फरेबी, मैं फरेबी, जान लेगी ये। डाउनटाउन में लगी आग,
दीवारी मेरा दिल ले गया, अपना खंजर मारा सीना मेरा छील के गया, मेरी कील वाली हील ले गया, मुझे लगा लगी आग साला फील ले गया। मेरी गली में आता जाता रहता था तो टपरी में घुसा छुपा छतरी में रहता, फके खत करे बक मुझे कटरी ना कहता था, मैं फक भी ना देती थी तू जख्मी सा बैठा था ना। My OGs and Cordis have been the best people and they have always supported me. When I saw thousands of people leaving, enjoying themselves, especially with a smile on their face, it was that moment when it hit us, we did this.
It's one of the most craziest seasons that kind of comes around every year. I'm saying this at 10 o'clock at night now. Trucks to come by, setting up the stage, taking it down, running around a lot, arguing a lot. They miss out on a lot of the good gems that is being in Malhar, and that's definitely part of being in the workforce.
First few meetings were a little awkward, but the more and more time we spent together, the closer we grew. I think one of the biggest challenge is minimizing the time of the judge block. It being my last year of undergraduate college, I think this is one of the most memorable experiences of my life so far.
F&D is crazy, and I think this after movie is proving my point right now. F&D is crazy. It's filled with crazy people. When you watch our videos, the Days to Go's, the theme video, the BTS video, if you feel like saying that's crazy, then we're doing our job.
So the first time I met everyone in college was on 1st April, as you said, really proud of the research you've done. And there was this moment in the woods when all four of us were just walking, and there was a shift of energy and everything just clicked and fell into place that very moment.
I think Malhar is a universe within a universe, and that's why I think that our theme fits very perfectly. And it actually didn't click to us. We actually looked for many ideas, but this one, I think Ashma ma'am really liked this idea, so we just went ahead with it. Yeah.
See, about my OCs, work-wise, each one of them, I'm not lying, not saying that because I want to make somebody happy, not saying that, but each one of them, I trusted them to the T. I knew that they will pull it off, whatever may it come, and they've done it well. So everyone is best, everyone is most loved.
For me, the one thing I'll miss the most, in the most simplest form, is an empty college. We used to see an empty college every day. Yeah, shut up. Empty college every day. And the one thing I will miss the least, I think I'm going to copy Om's answer there. There's nothing I'll miss the least. Everything is going to just miss the most.
आधे से अधूरे से बिन तेरे हमें फीका लगे है मुझको सारा जहां बाबरा मन राता के तरसे रे नैना भी मल्हार बन के बरसे रे कैसी खुशी है जो मोम सी है आँखों के रास्ते हंस के पिघलने लगी मन्नत के धागे ऐसे हैं बांधे टूटे न रिश्ता जुड़ के तुझसे कभी टूटे न रिश्ता जुड़ के तुझसे कभी 100 बलाएं ले गया तू सर से रे नैना ये मल्हार बन के बरसे रे
chaotic,
memorable,
change,
Crazy. Magical.
Emotion. Growth.
Forever.
exhausting,
Jalwa.
Family.
dream,
experience,
Madness. Taxi.
Magic.
A roller coaster.
Hectic.
Crazy.
Magical.
ये कैसी मुलाकात है, जैसे सदियों से तुम मेरी जान हो। अब कैसे मैं ये समझाऊं, कितने अरसों से तुम्हारा ही मुझे इंतजार है। तुम जो पास आई चूमने का यूं बहाना लेके, तब से तुम मेरी हो दास्तां। चांद को बुलाकर तुमने चमकाई मेरी जो रातें, तब से मैं तुम्हारा ही हुआ। दोनों ही कलाइयों पे चांदी है सजी, होठों पे जो लाली है दिल में बस गई। ये मिलन कैसी आग है, जल जाने की आस है। मदहोशी हो या ना भी हो, इस प्यार की गहराई का कोई इंतहा नहीं।
This is Malhar WPA 2025. Signing off!
This is IPA Malhar 2025.
Signing off! IPA का जलवा बक्सर भरवा।
This is ETC Malhar 2025.
Signing off!
This is FA Malhar 2025.
Signing off!
This is LA 2025.
Signing off!
This is Wing 2025.
Signing off!
This is Malhar Admin 2025.
Signing off!
This is Malhar PR 2025.
Signing off!
क्या तुमने कभी किसी से प्यार किया?
किया!
क्या तुमने कभी किसी को दिल दिया?
दिया!
This is Malhar Hospitality 2025. Signing off.
All accounts settled. This is Malhar Finance 2025. Signing off.
This is Malhar DNM 2025.
Signing off!
This is Malhar Creatives 2025.
Signing off!
This is Malhar Comms 2025. Signing off!
This is Malhar Conclave 2025.
Signing off!
This is Marketing 2025.
Signing off!
This is Malhar Assistance 2025.
Signing off!
लोग आने का,
Assistant लाने का, लोग आने का,
This is Malhar Technicals 2025.
Signing off!
This is Security 2025.
Signing off!
This is Malhar Logistics 2025.
This is Malhar FND 2025. Signing off. FND. FND. FND.
This is the Malhar 2025 signing off.
कैसी मुलाकात है, ये कैसी मुलाकात है.
In this life I gotta get rich, I can't be broke. I was asking favours and everyone telling me no. Wait till the tables turn, we'll see who stays or goes. I don't wanna be outside, I need someone that can keep me home. Yo, I feel so close but so far. Go home or go hard, how can I stop when I come this far? I smile outside, deep down I'm scarred. They only see the results, the pain, they don't know the half. This part of my life's redemption, I see it, I want it, we get it. I still walk with God but battling demons and I can't let them. They say that they love me, but I still don't know their intention. I'm tryna live my dream, they're offering peas, I don't wanna sell it. She only look good in the edit. They take what they